Kenmore understands the need to handle mountains of clothes, so that's why we designed the newest Kenmore Elite washer to take on the motherload. With 6.2 cubic feet of capacity, there's no larger capacity washer. It can tackle up to 32 bath towels in a single load, and that's just the beginning. Exciting innovations like the exclusive quad-action impeller with 4 wash motions fights tough laundry messes. The new Flex Fin action forces clothes up and over for optimal cleaning performance. 9 spray jets penetrate dirt from every angle, while the wash basket powerfully moves clothes back and forth. And Excelosoak technology reaches soils fast by drawing the detergent mix up from the bottom of the basket, while thoroughly saturating the clothes on top, delivering a deep clean. In fact, no one cleans better in its class, giving you more of what you value most: time. The innovative Excelowash technology activates a powerful wash sequence to get your laundry clean fast. The accelerated rinse cycle sprays water through your clothes during high-speed spins for fast and effective rinsing. Your toughest laundry messes are no match for Steam Treat, which lifts hard-to-clean stains using the power of steam, virtually eliminating the need to pre-treat. And the convenient new Deep Fill option lets you control how much water to use on select cycles. With the new Kenmore Elite Top Load Washer, big loads are no big deal. With innovations like these, it's no wonder Kenmore has been trusted for over 100 years.
With a range of solutions that adapt to each client's requirements, Miele Professional offers dependable and high-performance laundry machines that help you achieve your objectives. Miele machines are economical. In addition to using less water and energy, Miele washing machines' high G-forces result in lower residual moisture levels, which significantly reduces drying time and associated costs. It's substantially cheaper to spin dry than it is to electric dry. Miele Dryer's innovative air recycling system recirculates 60% of the process air back into the drying process. And because the air doesn't need to be reheated, energy and gas consumption is significantly reduced and drying times are shorter. Miele's washers and dryers are perfect companions. Washing machine drum volumes are matched to the dryers, ensuring perfect drying results with less creasing, which saves time in ironing. Limited space? Not a problem. Miele has a selection of stackable washers and dryers, as well as machines that require less than a half square meter, and even large capacity washers that fit through standard 800mm doors. Miele benchmark models feature energy and water savings of 20% and 30% respectively, with no compromise in wash performance. For partial loads, the optional weighing base automatically adjusts water and energy consumption, ensuring even more water and energy savings. Whatever you need to wash, a Miele machine has a program tailored for it, including special thermal and chemothermal programs. Not enough? Miele machines can be programmed to meet your specific requirements. The patented honeycomb drum ensures deep cleaning and gentle fabric care. All Miele machines are subjected to intensive quality testing to guarantee their reliability and longevity.
This new Panasonic washing machine features two key technologies. First is the active foam system that penetrates clothing for deeper cleaning. Before washing begins, the washer rapidly rotates the drum. This motion fully dissolves the detergent, and active foam is generated. 5 powerful hydroactive jets push the extremely fine foam deep into clothing fibers to quickly lift out even the most stubborn stains. Second is EcoNavi. An EcoNavi washing machine knows how to be eco-friendly. 3 kinds of intelligent sensors do the key work. The first sensor is the load sensor. When the volume of clothing is lower, EcoNavi uses less water and reduces washing time to save electricity. The second sensor is the water temperature sensor. When the water temperature is higher, dirt and stains wash out more easily, so EcoNavi reduces washing time to save electricity. The third EcoNavi sensor is the laundry material sensor. The type of clothing is detected and spin duration and rinse water level adjusted to save electricity. In addition, EcoNavi data is used to precisely control the inverter for additional energy savings. EcoNavi saves energy without your even knowing it. Over a half-century of manufacturing history and expertise go into every Panasonic appliance. Continuing to evolve, Panasonic washing machines with EcoNavi are the most advanced available today.
Introducing the Kenmore Elite Smart Dryer. Part of a new generation of Kenmore appliances designed to keep you connected to your home wherever you go for greater peace of mind. When you download the Kenmore Smart app, you can monitor and control your smart dryer from the palm of your hand. With the convenience of Kenmore technology, you can start or stop a cycle remotely, set custom cycles to meet your laundry needs, and monitor energy usage. Your Kenmore Elite Smart Dryer can also send you alerts when your laundry is done, or if it detects a maintenance issue. Premium features include Excella Steam and Wrinkle Guard, which help freshen clothes and reduce wrinkles, and Sensor Dry, which protects clothes by stopping your load when laundry is dry. The new Kenmore Elite Smart Dryer. It's amazing what you can do when your home is smart and connected. Kenmore. Be a